Ndichikutambirai zvekare pano paZvarwadza 263 pano panokuzivisai manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Kana uchiri munyowani pa this YouTube channel, kusubscribe mahara utina on the notification bell so that patinoramba tichidzoka neamwe manews updates uchange uchingozvionera. Panapa uchange uchiona manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Saka ndikuti subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Vadikani video randinaro ivideo rakatorwa navamo boys munetsi. Vatora video revamo boys munetsi. Tine sad news yatakareceiva pamaererano update iyoyo yevanasikana 3 vakafira kumamelody kuSouth Africa ndoko kwakaitika chiitiko ichichi. Vadikani ndati get well soon kune vasikana ava vakatsva vakatsvira mumba. Vatsvira mumba kuchera kunoko vari muzvipatara vari kuzamwa kurapwa nepese pavanogona napo. Saka vamo boys munetsi zvavatorera video iri vanga vachida kuti vanhu vanzwisise kuti chii chakakonzeresa kuti moto uyu ubvire uzosvika pakupisa vanasikana 3 avava. Vadika ndokumburota zvinofuka comment section nekunyora comment section kuti get well soon munopora nyasha dzaMwari. Mwari vachapindira. Mwari hapana situation yavanotadza. Ruoko rwaMwari ruchabatsira vanasikana ava. Ndatisei munamato comment section. Asi kune vaya vachazodawo kuona mapictures evasikana avava. Ndaisa link regroup redu reZvarwadza 263 mucomment section. Handikwanise kuposta uri mufananidzo wavo panapa pachivhitivhiti cheZvarwadza 263. Tinovharisirwa platform yedu nekuti platform yedu haidi zvinhu zvine ropa kana kuti violence. Tinochema mangwana makutadza kuona manews updates. Much love.
Very good morning to everyone who is watching the live. Wherever you are, you might in Johannesburg, Cape Town, UK, Australia. You're talking to Mr. Monetsi from the Great Hope. I'm on the ground in Neofias. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's part of Mamelodi. It's part of Mamelodi. It's part of Mamelodi. It's called Neomapias or Neomafias. We are going now. Pakaitika incident. Mone shakaitika, guys. Yeah. I'm almost closer to the area. You'll be able to see yourself. Good morning to everyone. Those who want to join Great Hope, you can join Great Hope now. 071 276 8363. To join Great Hope, 071 276 8363. So tada kusvika pakafira vanhu. Tichapinda mumba machona, tona building yachona, then we take it from there. But reports they are saying kuti vana, they are already in. 2 of them are in ICU. I think we spoke to some people last night, and then we'll see how best we can help. That's why we decided hello, sawubona sis, injani? Dada kutosvika panzvimbo pachona. All right. Mamelodi Mafias. I don't know how to pronounce this word, but if I say Mamelodi, it's easier for me to pronounce it. Saka ndakusvika panzvimbo pachona pakaitika zvinhu handitika. We also be able to talk to one of the survivors. Yeah. All right. Tada kusvika pamba pachona. All right. Right. Takusvika. Shikeo. Kokokoi. Makadini. Makadini. Tiripo. Sure. Mukutaura na Mr. Monetsi. Okay. I just want to do some few coverages. Guys, tasvika makafira vanhu. Sorry, makatsvira vanhu. Yes, sorry. Yeah, vari kuhospital. Remember that out from here we are going to hospital noma vakatsvira ndio imba yachona iyi. Hapana akashaika. Vari 2 of the girls check on my captain, they are in ICU, 1 wachona. Saka ndio pictures achona aya. Saka vakatsvira muno manditi. All right. All right. Saka I'm just gonna step aside here. Hey, ndikuona mabooks echikoro. Vana vaenda kuchikoro. Vana mabooks aya. Oh, shame. Sure. Mabooks aya, shame. Okay. Okay. Okay, first born anichi. Ndiye uyo ndichataura naye anditika. Then angachimutedzera ndiani chi? Ani 18. Vangu vachienda kuchikoro vese. Ah, shame.
Then watch akuita grade 11 achizonyora
Next year.
And then watch akuita grade 9 dane 14 watch akuita grade 5 ane
12. 3. Vakacha 3. All right. Saka muri kutaura kuti mukomana wayo asi umumu mukomana wayo ari panze ai zvinhu zvake zvaigara umo. Shame. Ndiye ari kunyora matric uyo. Everything, my documents ese.
Akanela kuti zvake zvima documents kana tuna kukomba passport ka. Angakazvikipa mu room make.
Sure. Saka okay, pana angaito idea here kuti uyu moto uyu wakatanga sei. I think anogona kuchuya. Chuya utaure shamwari. Zviri sei? Muri right. Yeah, just to confirm your name. Denzel. Okay. Ndio une ma sisters ari mu hospital. All right. Denzel, saka vakacha ma sisters ako. Ndiwe first born. All right. Chichakaitika. Mune idea here kuti moto wakatanga sei?
Ndina idea kuti moto wakatanga sei because ndasinora na murumu. Ndalavega murumu ndine room yangu.
Oh, ne room yako panze.
Ndakando chindidedza from my room and then
aikudana ndiani?
Ndiri ha muombe wacho.
Sister yako? Yeah. Sure, tadziri kumanguva hii?
Around 1:30 to 2.
Sure. Iyo ndo pawanzwa achikudana. Ndo pawaresponda.
And then bana responda madaenda kwaari. Vandakasvika ndasvika nekupanya mawindow aisaya nekubvisa makete nekupanya window
irero ndarona irero
bathroom vandabvisa blind because ndo zvinobatira fast.
And
then vandadira nemvura and then vanhu vauya vatavadira nemvura vatakwanisa kukata mauye bhaga kuti tivaburitse bhaga.
Sure. Saka temi saka Rihanna ndiye akatanga kukudaitsa. Ndio akatokumutsa.
Yes.
Right. Condition yawe yanga iri sei pamakazokwanisa kuvaburitsa mumoto?
Yanga iri very bad because wanga wafiswa neflame, wanga wari dizzy and everything. Wanga wasiri in a good condition.
Yeah, it's a very sad situation. Mama wangu ari kupiswa, temi wakatanga kupisa, vanga vamukawo.
Wanga wakamuka kudhara.
Wanga watomuka kudhara. All right. What I was told ndezvokuti uri kunyora matric handiti izvozvo. Everything ndikuona mabooks ako ese. I think just stand there. Ndimo wanga wachichipa maunochengetera mabooks ako ese.
Deposit yangu hembe dzangu mabhuku laptop everything.
Even the laptop was destroyed. Everything. All right. Yeah. You know, we are here also to see how best we can help. We can assist you. I know you are writing your matric, all your books and your sister's books. I can see my books, my addition. Do my sisters are quite? Yeah. Sure. Everything was destroyed here. Nothing. my books Isaiah. It seems as if my question is, you can see apana everything and zvazvakana sorongwa zvakanaka. Yeah. So far, if you just established what might be the cause of the fire, any idea? No one knows.
Yeah, maybe, but I don't know because I was not in the room.
So no one has an idea what causes the fire.
Maybe I think it's best if you wait for them to recover first and
then we can't focus about the cause at the moment.
Yeah.
What is more important is for us to see how best they can be helped. All right. So for now, we are focusing on trying to help. The information that I have now is that Mama went already to the hospital to assess the situation. So we don't know now what is the situation. So what we are going to do, we know your situation. You are writing matric, your laptop, and all your books have been destroyed. So we need now to go and see Mama. And my other request was they have to be transferred to Steve Bikwa, but I had the challenge is that there are no hospital beds.
Yes.
So from here we are going to the hospital. Now we're going to drive together with other people who are accompanying us to go to the hospital and assess the situation. After that, what I'm also going to do is I'm also going to see how best we can help, especially the ones in hospital. Then on your situation that all your books, your laptops have been destroyed, we also want to help you. And also, I know the girls, they lost the clothes, they lost everything. We are also going to do our level best to see how we can help this family. If we have to set up a GoFund, and I'm also going to engage our consulate. I'm going to take down all the information to see how best we can be assisted. All right. So from now, you are ready for us to go. Huh? There are people who were talking to me yesterday. I think I just want to come and talk to you. Just to come, my sister, come. Yese. Oh, the mama. But okay, but she's not on a hospital, and it.
Yeah, my mom was hospital, but then
yes.
Also my mother.
Oh, she's also your mom. Okay. My sister, I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for standing with this family in hard times. You know, this is where you see people who love you, people who care about you, for you to be with this family. Yes. Yeah. And also my sister, just come. Just come also. Thank you very much for all being with this family during this tragedy. You are there for us. You are representing the community. It doesn't mean that you don't have anything to do. You are here to show them love, to show them the support. And also from the community, we are going to do our level best to help. The purpose for me to be here today is to find a way of helping with the situation. This is a very painful situation, but we have trust in God that during this hard time, God will make a way. The Bible says God will make a way where there's no way. This thing, we should trust God that the girls who are in hospital, our God is going to intervene. So from here, those who are going with me, we're going to the hospital and assess the situation. Then from assessing the situation, we're going to come up with a quick way of helping to see what can be done as soon as possible. And I'm also going to take these pictures with you. I'm going to share them with our consulate to ask them, to tell them what the situation on the ground, to see what they can do to assist. I definitely know that they are going to make a way. All right. Anyone wants to say anything?
We just want to thank you for coming and for your help. And I don't know, I must ask it the other guy who was helping with the car, if you want to say something.
No, I would appreciate if you just want to say. He's out.
And Susan also.
Susan, come. Don't worry. It's you, Susan. Susan, you played a very major important role. What action did you do on the day when it happened? Taura kana nishona kana nichi main language.
Okay. So Vasikana, I had to jump up like from above. So I had to do venture mvura apa kuchira mvura chachibira akazo because the background makuvhura kachanga vasingavhuriki but so akanya kutsva so had kuti rirohwe nehamu kuti rivhurike then tivadhodzi vabudi so pakabuda paya takatanga kuvapa mvura yekuno kuzvanga vaine nyota some of them vaine nyota so vazoda kuchipatara ambulance akazouya after
maambulance haibatsiri no here makasungovatora pamamhanya nawo kuchipatara undu wakaenda nawo yeah. Anyway, so you know these girls, you said vamwe vako, you like, you know, tamba mese, muri my friends.
You're like a family.
You in this community, you live like a family. That's really heartbreaking. And my prayer is that, guys, may you remain united during these difficult times. God puts you in this situation so that mubatane sesha makaita and it. All right. My brothers and sisters, you have seen the situation, how painful it is. Machira akaita vanava. These people are shocked, they are shaken, and this is really heartbreaking. But yeah, you can hear kuti anzi mukuru ndiye akanyanyotsva niye kuti aida kuprotecta the little one. As I mentioned last night, kungotsva mbijana nekuti kumafuta tikudi kuchibika utorwadziwa. We are talking you and akaona some of the pictures, they are not looking good at all. But we are from here, we are going to the hospital to check a situation yachona. I'll be definitely updating you. We are saved to save. So tichazvinasokudza kuti zvakafamba sei guys, and what urgent help is needed panguva yakadai. But your prayers are needed at the moment so that the girls, they can survive. That's what I am pleading with you now at the moment. With due respect, with utmost respect, ndokumbira timbomira timbofocus kuti how best we can do to help. Zvimwe zvakawanda tinozotsvaga papai. I'm saved to save.